Hello and welcome to this demonstration of experiment number 5, which cover perfect channel estimation for 5G communication system. We will be walking through the procedure to achieve accurate channel estimation. Here, we have the MATLAB code for the simulation. The script is designed to handle everything from setting the initial parameters and generating random channel matrix to modulating QPSK signals. Is then stimulate transmission and noise, perform the channel estimation, and finally calculate the mean square error and set up the visualization. Once the code runs, we first see the calculated mean square error, which is very low value, indicating high accurate estimation. Following that, the figure is generated. These heat maps provide a visual compression between the true channel matrix of the left and the estimated channel matrix on the right. As you can see, they are practically identical. You will notice a minor error message at the bottom regarding an undefined SG title.